China Railway Baoji Bridge Group Company Limited, hereinafter referred to as CRBBG, as a second-tier subsidiary of China Railway Group Limited of the Fortune Global 500, is a large enterprise specialized in fabricating steel bridge structures, railway turnouts, urban rail transit facilities in China. Now, CRBBG takes the lead on these main products in China. CRBBG has an annual capacity of 10,000 sets of railway turnouts, 20,000 pieces of high manganese steel crossings and alloy steel crossings, 400,000 tons of steel bridge structures, and 50 sets of maglev switches and monorail switches. Turnout is a track connection equipment enabling rolling stock to be guided from one track to another, which plays a crucial role in railway lines. Since 1966, more than 100,000 sets of turnouts supplied by CRBBG have been widely used in China's ordinary speed railway, high-speed railway, heavy haul railway, urban subway, and tram. Since 2007, more than 5,000 sets of high-speed turnouts by CRBBG have facilitated Chinese railway speed from 120 km per hour to 350 km per hour. CRBBG is committed to the global supply of turnout products. Since 2000, 5,000 sets of turnouts and 40,000 pieces of crossings have been exported to more than 30 countries and regions around the world. As one of the world's top 5 railway turnout manufacturers and the largest export enterprise of CMS crossings, our design, manufacture, and quality of the products can satisfy the international railway standards such as EN, UIC, and ARIMA. No matter you are in extremely cold area, muggy coastal area, secluded desert, or in crowded subway, tens of thousands of turnouts by CRBBG keep your security and fulfill your travel dream. CRBBG has more than 100 experienced track engineers who can provide customers with safe, reliable, and comfortable turnout solutions in the way of on-site surveys, technical exchanges, theoretical calculations, and 3D modeling. CRBBG has been certified to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 18001, and ISO 10012 respectively. The ERP system is used to successfully develop 9 modules including sales order, product data, production plan, shop fabrication, procurement, storehouse, and quality, which realizes the standardization, integration, and informatization of the whole process to make it more economical, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly, and to achieve the traceability of product quality. CRBBG provides not only products, but also quality service, including personalized design, transportation to sites, on-site installation, client training, turnout maintenance, and integrated design of track products, such as turnouts, concrete barriers, fastening system. Reliable, safe, and trustworthy, our turnouts turn out to be the best. We are CRBBG.